Hello everyone, welcome to Roni Tuitions. Maths has fun. Today we are going to learn about the quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral word become by the two word quad and lateral. Lateral. Quad means four, lateral means side. Means the shape which is closed by the four sides is called the quadrilateral. A closed figure that has four sides and that is closed, then it is called the quadrilateral. So there are the different type quadrilaterals are there. So first of all, quadrilaterals are two types. One is called the convex and one is called concave. Convex and then concave. Convex, in that one side is outside, means here it is outside, here also it is outside, comes outside, and here it is also comes outside, here outside. This is convex. Concave, any one side went inside, like that. It is a concave because of one side, this one side went inside it, then it is called the concave. The convex quadrilaterals are different side. In that first one we are going to read the special quadrilaterals, that is the square. Square means the four side closed figure which all sides are equal. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. All angles are right angle. All angles are right angle. All angles are right angle. Next, opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. See here, it is a square. ABCD is a square. In that A, B, C and D, it is a square. In that this side AB is equal to BC is equal to side BC side is equal to CD side C and D is equal to DC side. All sides are, suppose that it is the 4 centimeter, then this also 4 centimeter. All sides will be the 4 centimeter. All side will be the 4 centimeter. And these angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, all angles are right angle. It is a square. Opposite sides, AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. That are the all angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. All angles are 90 degree. All angles are 90 degree angle or right angle. That is called the square. Opposite sides are parallel. In that AB is parallel to DC or AD is parallel to BC, like that. Next, another quadrilateral, that is called the rectangle. Rectangle is also a closed figure that has the four sides. Closed figure. In that the opposite sides are parallel. This is a rectangle. In that we given the name P, Q, R, S. It is a quadrilateral in that rectangle because of PQ is parallel to SR, parallel, or PS is parallel to QR. Here same, in that also square also opposite sides are parallel, but in that all sides are equal. In that opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Equal sides are opposite sides are equal and parallel, and all angles are 90 degree. What is the difference between the square and rectangle? Square is the all four sides are equal, but in rectangle only opposite sides are equal. Here PS is equal to QR. Sides are equal, or PQ is equal to SR. the sides are in the centimeter. If this is 4 centimeter, then this will be the 4 centimeter, and here suppose that this is 2 centimeter, then this also the 2 centimeter. Next, number third, that quadrilateral is, that is called the rhombus. Rhombus, in that all sides are equal, all sides are equal, sides are equal, but all sides are equal in the square also, in rhombus also. But what is the difference between the rhombus and square? The square, all sides are angle, all angles are 90 degree, but in rhombus all angles are not 90 degree. Here the diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals, these are right angle, they are bisecting at right angle. Here A, B, C and D. AB is equal to A, BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. All sides are equal, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. But these angles are not the 90 degree. Angles are not the 90 degree. Which are the diagonals? Means the corner to corner jointed, that is called diagonal. That are diagonals bisect each other at right angle. That is called the rhombus. Next, number 4, it is coming the parallelogram. Parallelogram also is essential quadrilateral, in that all sides, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. P, Q, R, S. These are opposite sides. PQ is parallel to SR. And in number 4, parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which the opposite sides, number 4, parallelogram, in that opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides means PS is equals QR, and PS is parallel to QR. Like the same, PQ is equal to SR, and PQ is parallel to SR. That is called the parallelogram. In a parallelogram, the diagonals divide the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. One triangle PQS and another triangle QRS are the equal and congruent triangles because of opposite sides are equal and the parallels. So the triangle PQS is congruent. Congruent means ditto, exactly the same in the length and measurements. Say that is called the congruent as triangle SRQ. That. Next, number 5, it is comes the number 5, that is trapezium. Trapezium is also it is a one type of quadrilateral in that 4 sides are there. One trapezium in that one side, any one side opposite to that are parallel. It is a trapezium ABCD. In that AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC, but not equal. In that another sides are there, another 2 sides are there, AD and BC, that are not the equal, also not the parallel. That is called the trapezium. It has the height. This one side it will be measured as height. In the diagonals of a trapezium not divide that the two triangles are congruent. Another one, they are bisect each other, but not at the midpoint. At any point they will divide it. Next, number 5, it is coming the kite. Number 6 coming kite. Kite is a special type of quadrilateral in that when the two isosceles triangle joint on a same base. Same, suppose that it is a one base, same in that. Here is another one isosceles triangle is there. In that ABC. BC is the same base. In that AB is equal to AC. And another one downside, that also that another triangle, that is the D. Suppose BD and BC is equals in that. So this is this one base on a same base. When the two isosceles triangles are joined on a same base, it is called the kite. In the kite, that only the two isosceles triangles are in that. It means AB is equal to AC, but not AB is equal to BD. Not AB is equal to BD. Because of this, BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC. That is the kite. In the kite, it is divided that two triangles. If the diagonals are joined together, then it is they have a bisect, not at the midpoints, not at the midpoint. Thank you.